Object like hovering right there, a plane that flew right past it, and then maybe a helicopter right there. I don't know what is going on. Now it's like another triangle. What is that? Really weird. What the hell is that over there? That is a perfect triangle. That is a perfect triangle. Maybe I can pull in right here and we can look at it. What the hell is that over there? That is a perfect triangle. Maybe I can pull in right here. We can look at it. What is going on over there? That is a perfect frickin' triangle. What in the world is going on? Hang on, let me try to pull over. Of course, there's nowhere to pull over. Maybe right here. Here we go. What are we looking at here? And why was it a perfect triangle? You have 1, 2, 3, then 4. What the hell is that over there? That is a perfect triangle. Maybe I can pull in right here.